A guide you to change YouTube channel name on your mobile. So let's change channel name of the YouTube. So firstly, we need to go to the YouTube here. And from there, after opening the YouTube, you need to tap on the U, which means your profile. After tapping on that, you need to go to the view channel option below your channel name. You need to tap over there and it will take you to the page of your channel. And from there, you need to tap on manage videos. Beside that, you could find the pencil icon or the pen. You can tap on that. Here it will give you the access for changing your channel settings. Let's say if you need to change your channel name, here I can delete all that. Let's say my livelihood. I can tap on save. Here that will be visible to anyone on YouTube and that will be changed twice within the 14 days window. So you need to make sure that you have changed in your channel name before the 14 days, that twice only. So this is how you could change YouTube channel name on your mobile. Thank you.